Now I will explain one problem on f of p comma q equal to 0. The problem is solve x square p square plus y square q square equal to z square. Solution. First write the given equation. The given equation is x square p square plus y square q square equal to z square. Say 1. This is not in the form of f of p comma q equal 0. This is not in the form of f of p comma q equal 0. Now reduce equation 1 in the form of f of p comma q equal 0. From 1 we have x square p square plus y square q square equal to z square, or it can be written as x square p square by z square plus y square q square by z square equal to 1, or it can be written as x square p square by z square can be written as x by z p whole square, plus it can be written as y by z q whole square equal to 1, or it can be written as x by z, p means dou z by dou x whole square, plus y by z, q means dou z by dou y whole square equal to 1, or here observe this equation. First one, dou z by z, let dou z by z equal to d capital Z. Next, here observe the x by dou x means dou x by x, take d capital X. Next, here observe the y by dou y, that can be taken as dou y by y equal to d capital Y. Okay. Here observe that here integrating this one we get z capital Z equal to log z. Here integrating we get capital X equal to log x. Here integrating we get capital Y equal to log y. Say this is equation number 2. Now take the substitution into, from 2 we have dou z by dou z means dou capital Z by x by dou x can be written as dou x by x, that is dou x by x means dou capital X whole square, plus dou z by z means dou capital Z by dou y by y, dou y whole square equal to 1, or it can be written as this is capital P square plus this is capital Q square equal to 1. Say 1. Capital P means dou z by dou capital X, Q means dou capital Z by dou capital Y. Okay, observe the equation 3. Equation 3, this is in the form of f of capital P comma capital Q equal to 0. Equation 3 is of the form f of capital P capital Q equal to 0. Now take the solution. Therefore, at the required solution of 3b capital Z equal to A capital X plus B capital Y plus C say 4. Here observe the solution. Here observe the P and Q. Here the dependent variable is Z. Independent variable is capital X, capital Y. That's we can take the solution capital Z equal to AX plus BY plus C. Now differentiating 4 partially with respect to capital X and capital Y. We get dou capital Z by dou X equal to A and dou capital Z by dou capital Y equal to B. This is capital P equal to A. This is capital Q equal to B. Substituting P and Q in 3. Substituting P and Q in 3, we get A square plus B square equal to 1. B square equal to 1 minus A square. B equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus A square. Substituting B equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus A square in 4. Get capital Z equal to A capital X plus B means plus or minus square root of 1 minus A square capital Y plus C. Actually, the given equation in small z, small x and small y. Now substituting z means log z, x means log x, y means log y. We get log z equal to A log x plus or minus square root of 1 minus A square into y means log y plus c. Okay, this is the required solution of given equation. Thank you.